Hey guys, how's it going? I've got a Corona here. This little guy is a Comet, 1941, and super clean. The keys, this is probably the cleanest set of keys I've ever seen on a typewriter. They're glass top with like a vanilla colored letter, but I mean, looks like they were just polished. They're, well, you can see. I mean, they're really great, and body too. This is a really clean one. There's a couple little, I don't know if that's just like something you can wash off. I took a washcloth to it, scrubbed it a bit, but you know, I never want to damage the paint job using anything too harsh. So if it doesn't come out with, you know, a quick dab, then I just leave it alone, and overall not a huge deal. But yeah, this thing is really clean all around. I know you can't really see because of the light, but decal on the front, and then back here, this I haven't even touched, but I'm gonna try to scrub this down a little, see if I can clean that off. But the decal still in really good condition. Functionality is 100%, and give you a quick type sample. This is a pretty basic model. You know, it's got backspace, and I have to say, probably the best backspace I've ever used on a typewriter. This thing just feels really solid, and you can go really fast, and it's just it's a really tight mechanism. Obviously shift and shift lock. It's a basket shift where this part drops down instead of this on other machines where it comes up, which is called a carriage shift. It does have single and double line spacing. And then here is where you change the ribbon. These are still the original metal spools. And when I say original, you can see, I hope you can see, that says Smith Corona made in the USA. So this is literally the same one it came with, I think. And I actually have the cardboard box that it came in, and the case as well. This guy, which is in really great condition as well. This has a really firm lock, really solid closure, so you don't have to worry about it popping open. No key, but case works, and not even hardly a mark on it anywhere. So I'm going to give you guys a type sample of this one, and show you everything's aligned, and this thing is definitely ready to work. So here, let me do that, and I'll take this sheet of paper out at the end, and I'll show you guys a close-up view so you can see what I wrote. And yeah, rolls paper in really nicely right under these things, no issue at all. Give you all caps. And I'll give you the numbers. Again, this is an older machine, so you're going to use the lowercase l for 1. That slash key, if you hit it too hard, sticks a little up top. And let me pull this out of here and show you guys. So that is the type sample, and I cleaned out the slugs, and well, most of them, and so you can see it's a little lighter on the uppercase letters. Well, on some that might have just been my typing, but other than that, really clean and clear imprint. The one thing I've noticed with this machine is spacebar. You do have to give it a good solid tap when you're spacing. You pretty much have to, you have to bottom it out. If you just tap it lightly, you have to be sure. It's kind of a thing where you're gonna get used to the typewriter. And as you can see, this, I didn't practice this for like an hour to get this perfectly. You just have to make sure you hit the space bar with a good solid thud. And other than that, this guy is ready to be used. Again, I'm really impressed with the backspace. I don't know why I've never been impressed with a backspace function on any typewriter. I mean, it's nice to have them, but I don't know what it is about this one. It's so tight and it's so fast. It's just like, honestly. Oh, the bell works. I didn't get to the end of the line, but the bell does work. But yeah, this thing, I don't know, it's really fast. Other machines, they're slower, and then the key also feels drudgy. I don't know, but not on this one. This one is really, again, it's probably just because it's mostly new machine. Like I said, I still have the original box that it came in, the cardboard box. I'm inclined to think it wasn't used very much. Even the rubber feet underneath are, I mean, they're still like pointy. The edges of this rubber, the square feet. Well, you can't really see it very well in this light, but yeah, the rubber feet are still in pretty good condition and obviously clean underneath. So if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message or leave a comment or whatever, and I'll get on that as soon as I see it. Have a good one, guys.